Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. The holidays are coming. But yeah, I'm just really excited for the upcoming festivities, watching cheesy holiday movies, and of course the upcoming sales. But I might have jumped the gun a bit, and I recently bought a lot of new makeup products. One of which is the new Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, which I was kind of holding off on buying because, as you may have known from my previous videos, I already have mountains of eyeshadow palettes, but oh well. But yeah, in this video, I wanted to do kind of a holiday themed eyeshadow look using this palette and give you some of my initial thoughts and feelings about the palette. And also I wanted to continue along the theme of coming up with mask friendly eye makeup looks. So yeah, if you want to see how I went from this to this to this, so you want to start off with prepping and priming your face, and as I mentioned in a previous video, now with the mask, you just want to make sure you concentrate the products to the areas exposed and minimize the amount of product that you have under the mask because that area is quite humid and it can be very prone to acne, so avoid putting a lot of product there. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with my Urban Decay primer potion. And then I'm going to start using my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. So I'm going to share some thoughts I have about this palette. I am pretty relatively new in using it. I've only used it like a few times, so I'm sure as I start using it more, creating more looks, my thoughts and opinions might evolve. But yeah, so just some initial thoughts. The overall packaging is again on point. I think Too Faced always kills it, and it's just so cute. It looks like a slice of pumpkin pie, and honestly, I'm just such a sucker for anything pumpkin, and especially pumpkin spice. So you could literally name a rock pumpkin spice, and I'll probably go buy it. And just looking at the colors, I like how it covers the base, which is like all the fall colors, all the warm tones. But at the same time, I like how they throw in a lot of variety in there too. Like they have a lot of greens, they have a lot of purples, which I was kind of lacking in my eyeshadow palette. And I like how it has a good mix of mattes and shimmers. I will say that upon using it, the mattes were very velvety, easy to blend, and very dense. So I think they really nailed it with the mattes, but I will say the sparkly shades weren't very pigmented and they had a lot of fallout. So I'm yet to find, maybe one of the Morphe palettes might do it, but I'm yet to find a palette that's just so pigmented and rich and sparkly at the same time with just one swipe. That would be like my dream. Yeah, so the sparkly shades I wasn't too impressed with. I will say also that unlike my white chocolate bar palette, there wasn't or doesn't seem to be like a standout shade that I can use as a foundational base color. And with my white chocolate bar palette, I always use Cake Batter, which is like the skin tone shade, and I always use it as a foundational shade. But this one doesn't really have the clear standout one, and also it doesn't really have a lot of champagne shimmery shades that I can use for highlighting. But yeah, that's just, and also another thing is I just initially pictured just opening the palette and just getting this huge strong whiff of pumpkin spice, but that really wasn't the case. I feel like I have to like literally, furrow my nose in here, and then I might get like a hint of pumpkin spice. I'm gonna try this technique I saw online where they take a piece of tape and like line it against their eye, the diagonal line, just to keep everything really sharp. For my foundational base color, I think I'm going to start off with Fall For It, this apricot shade. Just put it like all over the lid. Okay, and then for like the medium transitional type color, I'm going to go in with pumpkin spice. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to, I just look really funny with this tape on. And after that, I'm going to go in with some ginger spice and also some Use Spicy. So I'm going to take my primer potion and kind of like carve out where my half cut crease will be. Going to go over that with my Stila Shimmer and Glow in Kitten. I actually recently bought this like super pretty Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma, and I'm going to go over that like half cut crease area with it. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a bit, and I'm going to blend in the colors some more. Okay, that looks about good. I'm going to take the tape off and then just draw in a Kitten Flick eyeliner and also line my bottom lash line with some purple shades. Okay, I'm going to add some purple too, and then also use my color eye pencil and define the lower lash line area. taking my Urban Decay 24/7 in Stash. Just lining my bottom lash line. After that, I'm going to pop on some falsies. I'm going to use my Ardell Natural Lashes. Okay, so I popped on the falsies. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line to give them some love as well. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And now I'm just going to add some blush. And again, when you're wearing the mask, just focus on the areas that are exposed. So that's why I'm just going to dust it lightly to my upper cheekbones. And in terms of the highlighters, so I'm actually going to be using a new highlighter today. I'm using my Stila Heaven Hue highlighter, and I got it in the color Kitten. I just find that anything with Kitten in it usually looks pretty good on me with Stila, so that's why I kind of took a guess and decided on getting Kitten. And actually it provides like the subtle shimmery highlight, so I like it. I would recommend it. I'm just going to dust it onto my upper cheekbones and my nose bridge a bit. And yeah, I mentioned this in my last video, but in terms of lipstick, I usually forego it if I'm going to be wearing a mask. But yeah, so this is what it looks like with the mask on. So yeah, I think this is just a really nice nice holiday theme, like even like Thanksgiving theme look. Wait, before we end this, I do want to show you guys what it would look like with lipstick on. This is the Clinique Chubby Stick in Super Strawberry, and I think this is just a really nice deep red shade, and it's great for holidays as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye.